Hello, welcome to Let's Talk SEO. Now, one of the things I have to do when I audit a website is to make sure that everything I'm doing is as fast as I can do it, but without compromising the quality of my edits. And so what normally that would mean is that I would have to use a bunch of shortcuts, mainly which I refer to as bookmarklets. Now, if you've not been using bookmarklets, trust me, you've been missing out on a lot. And so in this video, I'm going to quickly walk through some of the most common bookmarklets that I use, and all the other ones will be available on my website. It's a click ad, and I'll also show you how you can generate your own using ChatGPT, if that's something you want to do. Though there will be some back and forth when you try to do it. As always, guys, if you like the video, like and subscribe. Right, so I just wanted to make this quick video to update every one of my subscribers that my audit service is now on my website, along with my monthly SEO service. So both services are now on my website. With the website audit, you just need to go on there and buy, depending on how many pages you have on your website. With a monthly SEO service, you might have to get in touch with me because I will have to quote you based on your industry, number of pages and stuff like that. Videos that I make out of these, the most interesting ones and the more how-to ones will be on my website's blog. So make sure to check that out too.
Okay, so we've jumped right in. Now I'll show you how the bookmarklets work. But it's important to say that there are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of bookmarklets out there, and you can come up with your own bookmarklet, something that I'll get into you towards the end of this video. But for now, let me show you how they work. So now let's see, I wanted to scrape all of these search results right here. I will click on this over here real quick, and there you go. Within a second, all of these URLs have been saved. Like here, I can say site liner check. So I can go ahead and click go. So it directly takes me from the website to site liner. And site liner, for those who don't know, is a quick audit tool. It will audit the website for you. It'll just take a second here. It'll show us everything: duplicate content, common content. So basically, it's a content audit file, a content audit website. And you can just click on it. It will take you there. It will run the scan automatically. The other thing you can do is, let's close this here real quick, is if you go back to, let's go to Zapier's website, and the other bookmarklet is check page speed insights. So with just one click, I can go to page speed insights, and I can run this, and it will show me all this information. So this comes in very handy, as you might imagine, for audits. And I do a lot of audits, and this is how I speed up the process. Now I still need to run Screaming Frog and all those other tools, but this kind of makes it one step easier. How do you do this? So I have all the codes on my website.
What we're going to do is we're going to ask ChatGPT to create a bookmarklet that counts in the anchor text on the page, and it also lists all the anchor text on the page. So what I'm asking ChatGPT to do is to create one that will also show the number of anchor text on the page, and a pop-up will come up showing all the anchor text. So I'll just go ahead, click enter, and ChatGPT will go ahead and create this for us. It'll take a second as always. I'll go ahead and pause the video and then copy and paste the code for you. So the code's ready. I'll go ahead, copy the code, open it over here. Here's one, drop my link. Let's go ahead, edit this bookmarklet over here. I'll go ahead and paste the code. I'll say count anchor text and save. Okay, so here my website's loaded. Go ahead, click on this over here, count. It says anchor text count is 24. It gives you a whole list of all the anchor text on my page. So if you want to copy my SEO strategy, which I don't have one, this is a quick and easy way to do it.
Right, so as you can see, bookmarklets can save you a great deal of time, effort, and even not bog your Chrome with a lot of extensions. But it's something that will take you some back and forth if you're trying to create your own bookmarklets. Hopefully you've learned something. Hopefully I put you on the right track. And if you have a question, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video.